Welcome to your local tech experts providing top-notch tech support services in Naples, Florida. We're here to solve your tech issues efficiently. Why choose us? We offer convenient in-home and office visits, ensuring peace of mind while addressing your tech needs right where you are. Our comprehensive tech solutions include computer repairs, virus removal, network setup, and more. Whatever your tech challenge, we have the expertise to handle it. Need help fast? Our remote support is available, offering secure assistance without you having to leave your location. Quick solutions are just a call away. We provide professional tech support that fits your budget. Quality service doesn't have to break the bank, and we ensure competitive rates. Trusted by the Naples community, we've been helping homes and businesses for over a decade. Our reputation speaks for itself. From slow PCs to software errors and network problems, we fix it all. No issue is too big or small for our team. Schedule your appointment today by calling 239-387-1900 or visiting techsupportservicesnaplesfl.com. We're ready to assist you. Your convenience is our priority. Whether in home, office, or remote support, we make it easy to get the help you need. Don't let tech issues slow you down. Call 239-387-1900 today for reliable service. Naples' go-to tech support service is here for you.